I was out on a walk today. I started to see a little bit of fall color change, and we're wondering when is going to be the peak here.
Well, it's going to be, we're going to have to wait a little bit longer for the end of the month. So, I mean, we're already seeing a few of those pop of those colors, but it'll be here before you know it. I mean, we're already talking about the 30s tomorrow morning. So,
well, Chuck's going to keep us updated. So stay tuned for that because more videos will be there.
Yeah. In the meantime, though, it's Friday night. IU's got a big homecoming game. They're hosting Michigan tomorrow. We got a lot of high school action tonight. So take us away with what we can expect weather-wise.
Well, thankfully it's going to be sunny for the next few hours, and we are not going to be worried about any rain this evening. Sunshine throughout the weekend as well. A beautiful look at the circle. Temperatures right now, 59 degrees, and we have that north-northwest breeze at about 14 miles per hour. So that's what's keeping it feeling pretty chilly out there despite being out in the sunshine. The sunshine helped a little bit, but it's still on the definitely that cool side. Temperatures around the area a little bit farther south, we're able to see those 60s. Currently 61 in Shelbyville, 60 in Bedford, currently 58 in Kokomo, 56 in Lafayette. Comparing it to the 70s yesterday and comparing the temperature change 24 hours ago, it's about 15 degrees, even 20 degrees cooler than the past 24 hours in Lafayette. So a big change. We could definitely tell that a cold front moved through our area, allowing for that high pressure system to draw in that colder air mass, drawing in the winds out of the northwest. You can see some of the rain showers tracking in parts of northern Indiana, but really we are not seeing any rain in our area, maybe just a few of those high level clouds. So if you're heading out to harvest nights at Newfields, it is going to be a chilly evening. Make sure those kids have an extra layer and have that jacket with them. Around 7 o'clock in the low 50s, and then by 9-10 p.m. we'll be falling down into the 40s and only going to get colder overnight. Waking up tomorrow morning, we are going to be in the 30s. You heard me right, possibly around freezing in Muncie and Richmond, looking at an early morning low of 35 in Indianapolis. So that's why we have that frost and freeze, that frost advisory going into effect tomorrow and that freeze warning going into effect. And this is a little bit more than a week early for Indianapolis. Our average first frost is October 17th, the average first freeze by the end of the month, and then the average first hard damaging freeze when temperatures get down into the upper 20s. That's normally the start of November. Thankfully, I think most of us are going to hold on to those 30s, but maybe one or two areas dipping down into those 20s. Now, for German Fest tomorrow, temperatures really not warming up. It's going to be pretty similar to what we saw today. Highs will be in the middle 50s. And then Sunday, we are expecting some more frost in the morning with early morning lows in the middle 30s, but we will be warming up. We will have those temperatures returning back up into the middle 60s, so a little bit warmer, and then it's even going to continue to have some of that surge of warmer air as we go throughout the start of next week. We are going to be able to see those 70s return by Monday. Next chance for rain Wednesday.